Hello, this is Mami Zell. For this episode ay tatalakayin natin ang how to multiply by 10, hundreds, and thousands. So let's begin. Okay, let's start with how to multiply by tens. Okay, in this given, we have 0.2 times 10. So what are the rules with this one? The rules in multiplying a decimal by 10 is you move the decimal point one place to the right. So, in this given number, 0.2 times 10, you move the one decimal point place to the right. So, 1. So, the decimal point now is here. So, the answer is 2. So, 0.2 times 10 is equal to 2. Okay, let's have another example. Okay, ang given natin ay 1.2 times 10. So, 1.2 times 10, given the rule, mag-move daw tayo ng one place to the right. So, dito na yung decimal number. So, ngayon, magiging 12 siya. So, 1.2 times 10 is equal to 12. Okay, how about if it's 20? So, paano ba natin ito sasagutin? So, may given tayo. Let's say 0.22 times 20. So, ito yung gagawin natin. Sulat natin 0.22 times 10. Ilan bang 10 sa 20? Diba dalawa? Times 2. So, ito yung formula natin or method natin. So, ano yung rules natin? Mag-move ng one place to the right kapag i-multiply by 10. So, nagiging 2.2. Okay, hopefully nasundan nyo ha. So, 2.2 times 2. Kasi 0.22 times 10 is equal to 2.2. Now, times 2 is equal to, so ganito siya yung multiplication natin. 2.2 times 2 is equal to 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. And then write the point, which is 1 place. So, 1 decimal number. So, 1. 4.4 is the answer. Hopefully, nasundan nyo at nakuha ninyo ang example na ito. So, let's proceed. Okay, so let's proceed. We have example here, warm up. So, itry ninyo isolve mentally lang. 8.61 times 10. So, paano nga yun isolve? Mag-move ng one place to the right. So, nagiging 86.1. So, the answer is 86.1. Correct. So, next naman na example. We have 1.239 times 10 is equal to mag-move ng one place. So, nagiging 12.39. Okay, another example pa. 3.9 times 20. So, ano ngayon ang answer? Mag-move ng one place, nagiging 39. And then, 20 man siya, so it-times pa siya ng 2. So, 39 times 2 is equal to 78. Okay, so ngayon naman, let's proceed on how to multiply by hundreds. So, may given tayo, number 1. 3.51 times 100. So, ano yung rules? To multiply decimal by 100, you need to move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So, isulat muna natin. 3.51 times 100. Ilang place to the right? 2. 1, 2. So, ayan na yung decimal dyan. The answer is 351. Let's proceed with another example. Let's say 6.346 times 100. So, ano ang sagot? So, ano yung rules natin ulit? Move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So, here's our given. 6.346 times 100. Move 2 places. 1, 2. So, andito na yung decimal point natin. So, ang answer ay 634.6. Okay, how about naman if 300 yung i-multiply natin? So, ganito lang yan siya. Sa halimbawa na ito, 0.62 times 300 is equal to 0.62 times 100 times 3. Kasi may 3 100 sa 300. Okay? So, ano yun? Move to decimal points. 1, 2. So, andito na yung decimal point. Nagiging 62. Kapag 0.62 times 100 times 3. So, ito yung ating solution. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 3 times 6 is equal to 18. So, the answer is 186. Okay, di ba madali lang? So, let's proceed now with warm-up exercises. Or letter A. We have 10.5 times 100. So, mentally, move 2 places. 1 and 2. So, meron kang i-add dito na 0. Kaya, the answer is 1,050. Okay, letter B. We have 0.8 times 200. You move again 2 places. You have 1, another 0. Lagyan mo ng 0. And then 2. So, nagiging 80. And then ito, 200 man siya. So, it times siya ng 2. So, 80 times 2 equals 160. Kung medyo naguluhan kayo, i-repeat nyo lang ang video. So, let's proceed with the thousands. How to multiply by thousands? So, we have 0.002 times 1,000. Okay, so to multiply a decimal by 1,000, ano ang kailangan gawin? You move the decimal point 3 places to the right. So, 3 places to the right. So, with this given, 1, 2, 3. So, ito na yung decimal point natin. Ay magiging 2 siya. So, 0.002 times 1,000 is equal to 2. Okay, here's another example. So, we have 3.5 times 1,000. So, ilan nga yung places na i-move natin? Diba? 3. Okay, so isulat natin ha. 3.5 times 1,000. So, 1, 2, 3. So, imagine natin, meron tayong 2 0 dito. So, the answer is 3,500. Okay, let's have warm up. Let's say, mentally, isolve ninyo. 6.75 times 1,000. Move tayo ng 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So, may 0 dito. The answer is 6,750. Okay, let's have another example. 2.8 times 2,000. Okay, so, 3 place to the right. 1, 2, 3. So, may na-add na 2 0. So, nagiging 2,800. Pero, 2,000 man ito. So, 2 1,000. So, 2,800 times 2. The answer is 5,600. I hope nasundan ninyo ang lesson na ito para mas madali nyong masolve ang how to multiply 10, hundreds, and thousands. So, ulit-ulitin nyo lang tignan ang video na ito. Hanggang sa muli! Paalam!